My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-up scam that comes from the site mcprotectionlab.com. This website claims to be related to the well-known security program. But this is not true. There is no connection between any decent security software and these pop-ups. In fact, this site, mcprotectionlab.com, is extremely malicious. It actually tries to mislead you and to make you scared about the condition of your computer and then to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Some other versions of these pop-ups may also be involved in collecting some of your personal details. So anyway, if you see all those pop-ups by mcprotectionlab.com, don't interact with them and don't share any of your personal data through them. I would recommend that you carefully investigate the control panel of your system and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. Now, I also recommend that you thoroughly examine your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the application, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove all other traces of malware or adware on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.